So our today's activity is based on all the new students. So new student means who have been completing 1 or 2 months, and we would be talking to them. It's a kind of friendly talk. Okay. So I would call individual student, talk to them personally, and let's try to figure out that how we can explain ourselves, how we can share our thoughts, our opinions, and in English. That would be the main purpose of this particular activity. So first of all, I would like to invite you, Deep, please you come. Basically I would like to know a lot of things from you. So first of all, I would like to know your name. What is your name?
My name is Deepkar.
Okay, so Deep, we want to know that where are you from actually?
I am from Paschim Midnapur,
West
West Bengal.
Okay, so right now you are studying, or maybe in South 24 Pargana, in Amtala especially. So what are you right now? What are you studying right now?
I am studying now MBA
MBA.
in Global Business School.
Okay, so what is the full form of MBA?
Management of Business Administration.
First of all, what is your background?
I have done my bachelor degree in English from Business University,
Okay.
and now I am pursuing MBA
MBA.
with specialization in marketing from Global Business School.
So after completing your graduation in a subject like English, so what actually comes in your mind that you choose that I want to do an MBA, not choosing other field like MA in English?
Because I choose marketing because it is a dynamic place, so where I can apply my skill.
So after completing your MBA, would you prefer go for a job or start your own business?
No, I prefer a job because I'm not a experienced. I join in a company to build my skill.
Yes.
And to develop how become a manager in the future. So I can understand first the field, then I start my business.
There is a chance, if there is an opportunity to learn other languages, so what is that one language you would prefer to learn?
Spanish,
Spanish. Okay, so why would you prefer Spanish?
because I love Despacito.
Okay, you love this special song, that particular song. Okay, so thank you very much. It is really nice talking. Okay, what is your name, please?
My name is Sumit Haldar.
Okay, Sumit, where are you from?
I'm from Amtala.
Amtala. So Sumit, first of all, I would like to know, do you want to learn English or not?
Yes, sir. I am learning English in this academy.
Okay. So when you decided that I should learn English, when that idea came in your mind?
Basically, when I study in class 8,
Yeah.
my class in everyone well in English,
Yes.
but
You are
very
weak
weak
actually.
and
Okay.
very scary for in English language. That time I decided that I learn English, but I failed that time.
So do you think that our teaching process is easy or difficult?
Yes, very easy. Your process like any child is learn very fast, and very process is very easy. Everyone can learn this process.
Okay. And I always ask student that why they want to learn English. So what is your reason of learning English?
Because I face many time when I join an interview, and when I gain some knowledge. Everything is English is necessary. My dream is one of the foreign country visiting.
So you want to visit foreign country
Visit
for your
foreign
business
country.
or maybe job?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's why I learned.
Okay. So you said that, sir, I want to go to foreign countries, abroad. So if you get a chance to visit there, or maybe to settle there, or to start a job or whatever, which country would you choose?
Basically, European countries,
yes.
Or Germany,
Okay.
that type of country.
And their English is very important.
Very important.
Okay. The same question, if you want to learn any second or third language, okay, beside English, so what language would you love to learn?
Sir, I love to learn Sanskrit.
Nice to meet you. Chalo. Okay, first of all, tell us, what is your name?
My name is Bajit Mullik.
Bajit, in which class are you studying right now?
I'm studying class 6.
So are you studying in Bengali medium school or English medium school?
I'm studying in Bengali medium school.
Okay. So you are a Bengali medium student and you want to learn English language. So why do you want to learn English language?
I want to learn English language because I want to go lot of countries.
Yes. So what is your dream? What do you want to be in your future?
I want to be a doctor.
You want to be a doctor. So do you know that if you want to be doctor, which stream you have to study? Science, commerce, or arts?
Science.
So what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject English.
English. So in your school, in English subject, what are the things do you study? What are the books that you have that you study every day?
I have 3 books, one grammar, one word book.
Yes. And textbook, that is
one
a storybook
textbook.
you can say. Okay, so do you think that grammar is very difficult to understand?
Yeah, grammar is very very difficult.
Why most of the student don't understand grammar? Can you give us any reason?
Because in grammar they teach in a way that way is very hard.
Yeah.
And all of the students cannot understand
Understand.
on
Yes.
that way.
So I forgot to ask you, where are you from?
I am from Estahali.
What is your hobby that you do every day?
My hobby is I wanna play football with my friends. Today I also played before come
Okay.
to class.
Before coming to this class. So this is the month of Ramadan. So are you fasting?
Yeah, I am fasting 4 days.
Okay, you have maintained that for 4 days. Okay, is it the fast 4 days or it's a random?
Random food.
Random 4 days. Okay. So do you think it will be very much difficult for student while studying and they are also fasting?
Yeah, it is difficult, but if I wanna do,
Okay, you
I-
can do it. Okay, so you have to be that motivated. Okay. So the last question I would ask you that you are a Bengali medium student and you want to learn English, and many students they fear English. They think that they never can speak in English. So what message you would like to give to them?
I would like to give to them if they wanna speak English. So first of all, they need to join a spoken English academy and don't be a fear person.
Yes.
Always speak English in
Yeah.
class. If you get fear, you cannot say anything in class. And they think I cannot say anything because if he say any mistake in class, all people laugh on him.
Yes.
That's why he.
Okay, that's the main reason that people do not speak or Bengali mediums do not speak English. So thank you for your response. Okay.